So here we have a little bit of a gap at the back of the pad. It's touching in the front slightly. Right now, this clearance of the top, it's not coming down below the edge of the rim here. And I'm going to hold it still and tighten it. I'm going to work the brake lever. We can see that one pad is moving away much more than the other. So I'm going to check two things. First thing is I'm going to make sure that the wheel is all the way up in the frame. Very often people make brake pad adjustments on a wheel that is actually not in the bike correctly. So, I'll loosen the quick release. Make sure the wheel is all the way up, which it is. Clamp it. I'm going to spin the wheel. Work the brake. Not hearing any more rubbing. Most linear pull brakes have spring adjusters on each side via either a Phillips head screw or a 3mm Allen wrench. So this one I'm going to adjust to increase the spring tension on this side so it pulls away from the rim as much as the one on the left side does. Inexpensive V-brakes often don't adjust consistently. Often after I make an adjustment on the screw, I'll tap it gently to set in the brake spring and double check it again. I think we've got them adjusted well. As far as also any issues with brake pads, one should be concerned with the relative trueness of the wheel side to side. If the wheel is not true, it will rub, and that would be another adjustment that would have to be made to make your brakes work correctly.